the Government of India enacted Wildlife Protection Act 1972 with the object of effectively protecting the wildlife of this country and to control poaching, smuggling and illegal trade in wildlife and its derivative. The Act provides for the protection of wild animals, birds and plants and for matters connected therewith. It extends to the whole of India except the states of Jammu and Kashmir, which has its own Wildlife Act. This was the first umbrella act which established schedules of protected plant and animal species. Under this act, an animal means amphibians, birds, mammals and reptiles and their young, and also includes in the cases of birds and reptiles their eggs. Habitat includes land, water or vegetation, which is the natural home of any wild animal. Hunting means killing or poisoning of any wild animal or captive animal. Capturing, coursing, snaring, trapping, driving or baiting any wild, and injuring or destroying or taking any part of the body of any such animal. This law defines certain terminologies as standard. It says protected area means a national park, a sanctuary, a conservation reserve. Reserve forest means the forest declared to be reserved by the state government. Wild animal means any animal specified in Schedule 1 to 4 and found wild in nature. There are 6 schedules which gives varying degrees of protection. Out of these 6 schedules, Schedule 1 and Part 2 of Schedule 2 provide absolute protection, and offences under these are prescribed the highest penalties. Hunting of wild animals can be permitted in certain cases if the Chief Wildlife Warden is satisfied that any wild animal specified in Schedule 1 has become dangerous to human life. Any person who commits a breach of any of the conditions of any license or permit granted under this Act shall be guilty of an offence against this Act, punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years. So, the objective is to provide protection to the listed endangered flora and fauna and ecologically important protected areas.